Hello! Today I'm going to show you a lovely property in the area of Città di Castello, Northern Umbria, near the border with Le Marche. And we have this beautiful old historical property which is divided into 4 apartments, and I'm going to show you 3 of them that are going to be put for sale. Or they are for sale. This is the view, and there also is a swimming pool over there. I'll show you. First of all, I'll show you a common room where the water tanks are. It's mains water, but they have these tanks just to be sure. The counters for gas and water are here as well, and a common washing machine and dryer machine. Drying. Okay, now I'm first going to show you this apartment on the ground floor. It has a private garden over there, more or less until over there where the machine is, the old farm utensil. The rest of the land below is a common property. They have about 3 hectares of farmland. Okay, now we enter the first property. As you can see, there are very old, thick beams, old ceilings in terracotta. Here also cotto floors. There is a fireplace and little steps going up to the kitchen. Very cozy, also with beams. It's a bit low here, the ceiling. And from here you can go outside. There is a fridge and a gas heater in the kitchen. Also gas cooking. There is no washing dishwasher, but you could install one if you wanted to. Okay. So a really nice sitting room. It comes completely furnished. People are not taking away anything, maybe some personal items, but that's it. And here is a shower. Okay. And here is the first bedroom with a window onto the beautiful valley below, with views towards Città di Castello. And here they made a pass-through through the very thick walls in this old building. Maybe it was a monastery or something. It's really old, as you can see also from the beams. Okay. And here we enter the second bedroom. Very nice. With a window over there. Very cool room with radiators in cast iron. And here is another shower room, plus a small storage. Okay, so this is apartment number 1. It's about 84 square meters large, and you can find the price on the website. Of course, you could buy all 3 apartments together if you want. I'll show you the rest. Okay. Maybe even the 4th could be sold, but the owner isn't sure yet. Okay, so here we have a nice sitting area still of this first apartment. Okay, this area is has a right of way because the owners on the other side need to be able to pass here. Plus there are stairs going down here. Maybe I'll show you this area immediately. The pool area. So stairs are going down here, and there is a common pool. Here it is. It's a 5 by 10 meter pool with a sitting area, umbrellas, sunscreens, beds and chairs and everything. A sun deck. So, and it goes down a little deeper on that side. This is also common, of course, so it's being maintained together. Okay, here we continue. There are several parking areas. There's one over there. There are more areas on top. Okay, well, we'll go back up again. In the meantime, I'll let you enjoy the beautiful views on the countryside. And here we are in the upper garden, or the middle garden. There are several fruit trees here. There's a fig tree and walnuts. Okay. Area. It's beautiful. It's a very nice and well-known area. Okay, well, from here, let's see how we can get there. Here is a parking area if you want. You don't need to, but perhaps if no one else is there, you can leave your park if you have that apartment to close. And that will be it. You can get more information on our website, www.lecasedidori.com. Okay? Bye-bye.